In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently on Android. So let's get started. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Now go to profile page by tapping your profile icon located at the top left side. Tap gear icon located at the top right side, which is for settings. Now scroll down and under support, tap I need help option. In the search bar at the top, enter delete account. Now from the results, tap how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. On the next screen, tap Snapchat accounts portal link. Just log in with your Snapchat account details. Now tap delete my account option. Enter Snapchat account password for security reasons and tap continue. Once done, Snapchat will deactivate your account and will delete it permanently after 30 days. In case you change your mind to keep your Snapchat account, then you can do so within those 30 days after account deactivation. So that is how you can delete Snapchat account permanently on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.